Hello, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So today we are going to talking about two coloring book niche for the event of Thanksgiving. So for Thanksgiving, we are find out two hot coloring book niche. So if you are watching my video at the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel and check my other videos and share my videos whoever is interested in passive income. So we are going to KDP marketplace and then search. Our first niche is animal greeting cards coloring book. Animal greeting cards coloring book. So here animal greeting cards coloring book. So there is an animal greeting card coloring book. So there is eight review. So we can find out the copyright and trademark. There is no trace records are found. So there is a safe niche, and also we search animal greeting word. There is no trademark. So you can easily no. So you can safely work on this product animal greeting card coloring book. There is no trademark, there is no copyright. So this is the book cover, and uh, you can easily make this book cover better quality design uh, than this book cover. And there is a interior design, so there is a easy, so you can make good quality cover, good manuscript, and choice perfectly keywords. Then you can earn revenue from this niche. And our second niche is thinking thinking of you coloring book. Thinking of you coloring book. Here the results only shows 795. So obviously there is a micro niche. So you can try to make this book and upload this book on KDP. Thinking of you coloring book. Colorful greetings. There is a Thanksgiving coloring book type niche. Already 37 review. So we can check out the trademark and copyright. So thinking of you. Wait. Just thinking of you. Thinking of you. Goods and services expire 016. Greeting card first use. The type of trademark. There is a trademark. So if you cannot work thinking of your coloring book, there is a trademark product. So trademark is date. Trademark is key date. So we cannot risk from this product. So we do not work thinking of your coloring book. So in this video we can find out how to find out uh, trademark free product, and how to check out which product is trademark and which product is not trademarked, and trademark live or dead. So you can understood from today's video. So from today's video I can try to show you how to find a checkout trademark and copyright. And when you find trademark product, and then what to do see, and which word you will be concentrate very soon. There is a 016 and there is a live or date. So thinking of you, this word already trademarking date. So uh, we cannot any risk from my account. So we cannot work thinking of your coloring book product. So you got the understand. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and notification bell icon, and comment, like, share my video. Thank you so much. Thank you all.